Gurudev, how to overcome lust and other related bad habits?
The more you indulge in it, the more you give that stimuli, the more the heat gets into your head. And when your head is hot, and your vision is blurred, your perception is blurred and all that. So, I think people should stop watching pornography. This is it. The tempting things for people is pornography. Thinking about sex, watching it all the time, really destroy the instrument called brain. You know, at the same time you shouldn't blame sex. It's a natural thing, it's a natural phenomenon. That's the thing from where everybody is born. So your origin is sex, but let not your death also be sex. And if one is promiscuous, that is what we will have. You know, our death will also be sex. So, be very natural and moderate with sex. It's a part of life. It is there, it's there, but see, when exam times, when you are busy, when you are reading a lot, when you have important work, sex does not matter. See, which are the moments when sex does not really lust doesn't overtake you? Number one, when you are in deep love, it's not the lust which comes up, it's the emotion. Then you overcome lust. When you're deeply in love, emotions reign more than lust. Second, when you are very busy, when you have some urgent thing to do and very busy, lust is not the thing, priority. Third, when you have a great goal to achieve, a big work to do, you have any creative activity, or dance, music, creativity, when you put yourself into creativity, lust is not bothering you. Then sports and gymnastics. If you are working out very well, or you are in sports, even then its lust does not overtake you that heavily. Isn't that so? How many of you agree on this? Sports and these activities, right? And then fifth is pranayama, meditation. When you are so blissful, the lust does not overpower you. Okay? But when there is sex is there, and it age and time, it has its period. You know, before 10, it's not there in you, or 10 or 12-year-old. Maybe these days it's coming back much earlier. But let us take 10 as an age, not before 10 and not after 60, not supposed to be. After 60, so lust bothers you only with this particular period. Even after 50, 55, 60, it's not an issue at all. There's a small story. A grandfather, father and his son, they were traveling, and when they came to a place, and they met a friend who asked them, "What makes you very happy?" They asked the young boy. He said, "Oh, great food and sports and all that makes me very happy." And they asked the father, "What makes you very happy?" "Oh, when I look at beautiful girls, and it makes me very happy, and I have some interaction with them, it thrills me and all that thing, outside the marriage." That's the best thriller that makes me happy. And they asked the father, the grandfather, "What makes you happy?" Says, "The day I have a good motion." That makes me very happy, very comfortable. The whole day goes so well. Otherwise, every day I'm so constipated. Because I'm constipated, I can't eat. If I eat, more constipation. and I suffer, I don't get sleep. But the day I had a good bowel movement, that is the day I am in heaven. So the concept of happiness is different with different